This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Google Docs in 30 minutes. And today I'm going to show you an underappreciated Gmail feature that most people don't use or they don't use it often enough, and it's Google Contacts. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So basically, to find Google Contacts in Gmail, there's two ways to do it. Go to the waffle menu up here, click on that, and then you'll see an icon that looks like someone's shoulders. And if you click on that, it will open up Google Contacts. The other way to do it is actually within Gmail itself. There's the same icon on the right side of the page. Click on that, and then the same contacts will kind of open up on the sidebar there, and then you can click on one of them if you want to email them or something like that. So the reason why Google Contacts is so great, besides showing you the list right in Gmail, it also integrates with iOS and Android. If you set it up right, all of a sudden, when people are calling you or emailing you, it'll just show their information, or you can access their information very, very quickly. And I use it on my iPhone every day. It's just a really important part of my workflow. There's two ways to add a contact to Google Contacts. One way to do it is just to open up an email and then kind of hover over the name, click on that, and then you'll see a little icon. It looks like a plus with someone's shoulders. Click on that, and then that is added to your contacts. You can also do a batch import of a CSV file. Basically open up Google Contacts in its own window, and then you'll see a link here that says import, and basically once you click that, you'll be prompted to select a CSV file or vCard file or a template to basically import all of your contacts that are in that spreadsheet into Google Contacts. So that's a way to do it very quickly. I hope this video helped. If it does, please take a moment to like it or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description, and thank you so much for watching.